Organizational behavior is a fascinating field that explores how individuals, groups, and structures within an organization interact and influence one another. One of the key aspects of organizational behavior is understanding individual behavior within the workplace. This involves examining factors such as personality, perception, motivation, and attitudes. It's important to recognize that each person brings their own unique characteristics and experiences to the workplace, which can impact their behavior and how they interact with others. Group behavior is another crucial element of organizational behavior. This includes studying topics such as teamwork, communication, leadership, and decision making within groups. Understanding how individuals come together to work as a team and how they collaborate is vital to the success of any organization. Organizational structure and culture also play significant roles in influencing behavior within an organization. The structure refers to how tasks, roles, and responsibilities are organized, while culture represents the shared values, beliefs, and norms within an organization. These factors can shape the behavior of individuals and groups as well as impact things like communication, decision making, and processes, and overall employee satisfaction. Studying organizational behavior can provide insights into how companies can effectively manage and motivate their employees, create a positive work environment, enhance productivity, and foster innovation. It also helps in understanding how external factors such as technology, globalization, and changing demographics impact organizations and their behavior. By studying organizational behavior, individuals and organizations can improve their understanding of effective communication, conflict resolution, leadership development, and organizational change. It offers valuable insights into how to create a healthy and productive work environment that can lead to higher levels of employee engagement and organizational success. Thank you. Bye-bye.